Alright, boys, I just wanted to update y'all. I just wanted to first off thank everybody, each one of you, for subscribing and liking and commenting. This is what keeps me going, but it's been a while. I got the bug completely tore apart all the way down. I'm going to replace the axles for the new year just because. I'm gonna maybe put the aluminum skid on. I don't know. We're going to go from the Reefs 100s to the 55s. We're going to change a few things up. We're going to run OG again. I built another cage. I don't know. This is my first one. It's absolute trash. You look at all the welds, baby. They're not very good, but I like this one. It has sentimental value to me. She's a ugly duckling, if you will, but she's beauty. She performs. She's a performer. She's a dancer. That's all we need to know. The update that I have, I guess, is big news. It's before 8 p.m. today. We should be getting more of the 6% in. But I just wanted to show you. I'm going to be going to the 6%. This is the original prototype part that I've been running for a year now, and I just wanted to show you guys basically what it looks like fresh out of the transmission. I mean, you can see there's a little bit of wear on some of it, but I mean, it looks mint. I'll try to get in a zoom in here. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you that the plastic stuff does work. But anyway, I'm going to get to tearing this thing down a little bit. Your boy just got 2 more 55, come on now, 55 micros. And we're getting rid of the low pros. We're going full size. I just got 2 of these 1400 Smarts. And I'm happy to announce I was just doing a little bit of testing on them a minute ago. And the Fusion has a switched power, so that's why they don't recommend the direct power servos with their switch power, because if it gets signal or power before it gets signal, the servo needs to be, the power needs to be recycled for the servo to actually function. So the 1400s don't have that problem. Super stoked. I'm super stoked to see how powerful those bad boys are. So I'm going to get, and also we're going to run a 30 up front ring and pinion and a 33 in the back to try to get like 16% overdrive instead of 46%. Actually, I was running like 35 or something like that. We're going to go down to no overdrive just because we have the digs. We can manipulate it. But anyway, I'm going to get to tearing this down, putting back together. See you in a few minutes. Okay, another real quick update. This is another little project I've been working on. Something to pull the bugs around, baby. I put the shocks on servos so that we could change the ride height when the trailer's super heavy. You know what I'm saying? But she's kind of on there. It's not really bolted on, but we made some sliders for it. A rear bumper. I got the tailgate to open and close so that we could actually. I lost the fifth wheel receiver for the back here. I lost it. I don't know. I gotta buy a new one, make a new one. I don't know what happened. Then we made a little front bumper. Think about putting a winch in this thing as well. Maybe front and back. We'll see. But right now, let's see if I can take the body off. Set this bad boy aside. But right now, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 channels. And I got an 8-channel receiver, so we're going to fill it all the way up, baby. That's the plans. I was thinking about trying to do the front lowrider stuff because this is super cool. I just stuck it straight to the shock, said screw it. It works pretty good. It's got enough power to lift the truck up and the trailer when it's full with 2 bugs on it. So that's at least, I don't know, 30, 40 pounds maybe? I don't know. This thing's extremely heavy. Oh yeah, I built my own dual. Basically just gave it a wicked offset so the axle goes over. You can kind of see there. Boom, bada bing. Then it's basically you use another wheel and the hub is what sandwiches it all together. And then boom, you got 2 bead locks. Dually fit the body just perfect. That's one thing I really wanted to do on this truck. Oh yeah, is a Vanquish Phoenix cut off right there where the bumper dips down and then extended with an old SCX-10 frame, one of the originals. This is what the body looks like, somewhat coped on there. I got magnets in the front and then I use a bolt in the back, but we got it fitting pretty nice. When it's all bolted down, it looks pretty good. That's what I was talking about though, with like the track width. If I get it sit on there just right. But the duals fit in there just freaking perfect, man. When the body's bolted all up. And then the front also has like perfect fitment on the tires. But it's pretty cool. This thing, when it flexes, it really sticks those tires up into bed. I mean, that's pretty crazy for a dually. It's got a ton of flex in the back. But it's been pretty fun driving this little thing around. I don't want to scratch it up too much, but like when you're driving and the bumper's about to hit the thing, you can raise it up, or if like the truck's over leaning this way, you can level it out and drive straight. It's super cool to have the manipulated suspension on a truck. I thought about trying to do it with the buggies, but there's just no way. The space constraints that we have. I have these little baby LEDs. Let me see if I can find them. Yeah, these little baby guys. Check these out. So these little baby LEDs, I got yellow ones, green ones, and red ones, and orange ones, or whatever, yellow. I'm going to drill holes up in here, insert the LEDs. I'm going to put a couple LEDs in here. And then I also have some of those cob LEDs, which these are really thin. And then I'm going to put the strip in there, kind of like, you know what I mean, come all the way around, just like the real truck. And then I'm going to vacuum form the lens covers. So this thing's going to look sweet. I'm super stoked to get this thing finally finished. But anyway, that's an update on what I've been doing. Maybe I got something else. Hold on. One last little thing I'd like to cover is I've been making these little scale drivers for the buggies. They're 6 inches tall and fully articulative. Pretty cool. I really enjoy using the Dummy 13 as a platform because, like, out of all of the drivers or figures based upon my research, none of them can really bunch up like this. This guy's clothes are a little tight, but he could form up even more. I got another guy right here with no legs, but look, I mean, like, look at how freaking compact you can get one of these guys. It's pretty crazy. And they can, you know, form into all kinds of positions. The cool thing is you take it out of your buggy, set it down, do a couple poses, put them back in the buggy. I got a couple of different ones with different heads with different clothes. So, like, if I wanted to be in this suit, all I'd have to do is pop my head off and then pop this guy's head off, We just disconnected the body. And then, oh, that stayed in there. Technical difficulties, but anyway, boom. Bada bing, I'm on a different dude. Check it out. We could put Elon in the pink suit. So that's pretty cool. I just take the dummy 13 and basically replace the head. I mold the inside of it in there. Find a file or make your own on the internet and paint it up, put it on. You got a pretty sweet, unique, super articulative, one-of-a-kind driver. I've been making a few of these for the buddy. I've been trying to figure out if I want to make them for everybody. If you want one, let me know. We could probably work something out. It does take a few minutes to not only design the head, but print it. So there's that. But also people pay millions of dollars for their own action figure, right? So it's kind of cool. I have my own action figure, clothes, print time, all of it in for less than 20 bucks. So just wanted to show you guys like one of my cool little findings for these buggies, and just the ability. I mean, you can find it. If you can find the clothes, you can put anything on them. I got another suit here. I got a few more clothes coming, but got this suit, and then I just took the white ones and dyed them. So that's kind of cool. I was gonna put myself in the pink. I just like having the pink and the blue, pink, white, and blue, or red, white, and blue theme for the buggies. It's really loud, so that's why I like it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys one more thing that I've been playing with dolls lately, boys. Oh my gosh, we're 30 plus years old, still playing with dolls. Well, I guess the last time I was playing with dolls, I don't know if you guys remember Street Sharks. But I had a couple of those bad boys. But anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, watching, subscribing, taking the time, giving me your time. I really would like to start trying to post more. It's just work doing this, finding something cool to even chit chat about. It's all hard to do. Sometimes I think something's cool, but it's not that cool. Plus, I don't know, when you make a video, you spend time uploading and you get 100 views, it's pretty discouraging to try to keep going. So that's why I've just been doing these lower format quality videos, kind of show and tell action. But if you guys want me to keep posting, give me some more engagement, let me know. The comments and everything help. I haven't made anything off of YouTube. I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. It's kind of cool, but anyway, I just want to say thank you guys.